Word 1, hello. Repeat, hello. Exam. Hello, how are you? Word 1, hello. Repeat, hello, hello. Example, hello, how are you? Word 2, thanks. Spranks, granks. Example, thanks for your help. Word 3, goodbye, pronounced farewell. Goodbye, see you tomorrow. Word 4, please, pronounced please, please. Please pass me the salt. Word 5, sorry, pronounced sorry. Example, sorry, I'm late. Word 6, yes, and then yes, yes. Example, yes, I understand. Word 7, no, pronounced no, no. Example, no thank you. Word 8, maybe. Repeat, maybe. We can go tomorrow. Word 9, good. Repeat, good. Example, this is good news. Word 10, bad. Pronounce aid, bad. Example, that was a bad day. Word 10, bad. Pronounced bad, adjective. Example, bad. Word 12, sad. Pronounced sad today. Word 13, excited. Example, I am excited for the trip. Word 14, tired. Example, feelings tired or exhausted. 18, great. Great, great. This is a great idea. Word 16, sorry. Pronounce sorry. Example, I am sorry for being late. Word 17, welcome. Pronounce welcome. Example, welcome to our class. Word 18, maybe. Maybe and certainty. Maybe I will join the meeting. Word 19, understand. Example, I understand the lesson. Word 20, help. Pronounced help. Example, can you help me please? Or assist someone. Repeat, help, help. Example, can you help me please? Word 22, maybe, maybe. Example, maybe I will join the meeting. Word 23, understand. Pronounced comprehension. Example, read. Word 24, help. Pronounced as someone. Can you help me please? Word 25, friend. Example, she is my best friend. Word 26, school. Example, I go to school every day. Word 27, family. Pronounced family. People related to you. Repeat. Word 28, work. Pronounced work. Activity for earning. Word 29, eat. For example, I eat breakfast every morning. Word 30, sleep. Sleep. Rest. I sleep at a rate.